Hello everyone, good morning. So we are all here and welcome to Canada! Welcome to Vancouver!
When we used to be in love and we thought that nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone.
Trabaho ko diya, ganito.
This time. And though you're not here anymore, I still think about you. 'Cause baby, yeah, I didn't forget you. Hey, no.
Dumating kami dito kagabi, mga 11:30 na dito sa hotel.
Yeah, when I was preparing, I was tired.
Yeah, and pero sa border mga 11 PM yata. Hello, sir.
Hi. How many of you?
Three.
Just three.
Can you lower the bed window?
Sure.
Where do you guys live?
Washington
How long are you guys going to be inside?
until Sunday.
And what's the plan in Canada?
Just go to Stanley Park, Granville, then go back.
Gotcha. Are you guys bringing anything that's going to be staying in Canada?
What's that, sir?
Bringing anything that's going to be staying in Canada?
No.
Sir.
Any alcohol or tobacco?
No.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night. We're in Canada!
After 3 years, we're back.
3 years, we're back.
Back on our past lives.
Past line.
We're going to our hotel and then we're gonna find something to eat first and then going to hotel. Then tomorrow, we're gonna roam around Vancouver, visit the places that we
Used to go, used to live, used to walk,
Yeah.
used to
So
ride.
this is a very exciting or is it what do you call it? Very
Reminiscing.
road trip.
Can we go to White Spot?
I think White Spot is
It's
closed.
closed already.
Alright.
So, nandito na talaga kami sa Canada.
We're going to Canada!
Yeah. Maginaw talaga ang Canada. Maginaw. Woo. Anong temperature ba? So, naghihintay kami dito sa may gasoline station kasi sila, yung kapatid ko, sila Romel, si Sky, nandun pa sa border. So, hintay muna kami sandali dito and then we'll go to yung hotel namin sa Coquitlam. So, malapit lang dito na. So yun, we will vlog again once we are in the hotel. We started our journey mga 5:30 doon sa Tri-Cities. And then so mga 5 hours na trip. It was about 320 miles away from Tri-Cities to the border of Peace Arc. So yun. And di pa namin alam saan kami pupunta ngayong araw, but first things first, we'll have our breakfast doon sa Jams Cafe doon sa downtown Vancouver sa BT Street ba yan? Alright, we'll see you there. So bago lang kami nakahanap ng parking area, ito pay parking. Nag-book kami for 6 hours kasi sasakay kami ng SkyTrain. Then yun, pupunta muna kami sa Jams Cafe. So dito lang, nandito kami ngayon sa Clark yata to. Clark, then papuntang Dunsmuir, then Dunsmuir pababa. Yan, sa Jams Cafe. tapos na kami mag-breakfast sa Jam. We're on our way to Gastown. So, gusto nilang pumunta ng Gastown sa pupunta ko. Malapit lang dito. It's just 5-minute or 10-minute walk siguro. So yun. That's the gang. So, nandito na kami sa Gastown. It took us 3 years to be back here. So, anong masasabi mo, Ma'am?
It's very hard. My heart is full.
Your heart is full?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, pag
Very happy.
punta namin dito, palagi kaming nagre-reminisce
This
mga
is where
panahon na.
we took a picture during Christmas.
Yeah. So, 5 years ago, I think, we sat there and took a picture.
Very
Yeah.
nice to.
It's nice to be back here in Vancouver.
Now we're not thinking about our visas.
Oo nga. So, yan. Ay.
Kanang pwede ko mo tanaw. Okay, I used to work here before at Blend's Coffee Shop. It's one of my second jobs when we were here in Canada. So
So, dito sa Vancouver, nag-dock dito ang mga cruise ship. Yeah, yan mga... So, papunta yan ng cruise. Yan yung barko nila. Yan. So, I think nag-dock yan dito few days siguro. Hindi ko alam talaga. So, yan. Yung mga turista na galing dyan sa cruise ship. So, yan dito, yung cruise ship stop dito sa Vancouver. So, may cruise ship dito ngayon. So, maraming turista ngayon. Vancouver. Doon si Allison at saka si Wela sa loob. Bili ng ano bang tawag ito? Mont Blanc dessert. Ano bang tawag niyan?
Brown croissant.
Croissant? Yeah, croissant daw.
Croissant.
Ito lang kami sa labas.
Croissant.
So dito nagtatrabaho si Allison noon sa Robson Street na Tim Hortons. Tapos naghihintay kami, diyan naglalaro si Jansoy. Yan. So nandoon si Allison sa loob.
that's where I used to work.
I'll get the chocolate glaze.
You want the chocolate glaze or the tidbits? this is where I used to work before. We'll go there later.
So yun, yan ang trabaho ni Alison noon. And then dito kami naghihintay, kami ni Jansoy. Dito kami naghihintay. Naglalaro kami dito. Yan, he still remembers it. So yan. Do you still remember this nut? This place? Yeah. Okay, let's go. So yan.
Feeling is so,
So how do you feel?
I don't know, it's just very overwhelming. After 3 years?
Yeah, 3 years. And hello everyone, it's day 2 of our trip to Vancouver, BC. So it's 11:30. So ngayon pagdating namin dito, itong Vancouver, palagi talaga itong umuulan. So tinatawag tong Raincover, and it's just fitting na second day namin dito na experience namin ang rain sa Vancouver. So yun, nandito kami ngayon sa lookout, sa Lionsgate Bridge lookout. So ito yung Lionsgate, yan, mataas yan. So nag-connect to sa Vancouver at saka sa North Vancouver. So, yan. And dito ang location nito is Stanley Park, to yung pinagtatayuan namin ngayon. So yan, yan ang view. And pumupunta talaga kami kung nandito pa kami sa Vancouver. Palagi kaming pumupunta dito, kami tatlo. Yan. So nandun na sila sa taas. Pupunta lang ako doon. Yan. Medyo hindi gaano maraming tao ngayon, which is really good. It's a weekend, pero hindi gaano maraming tao nga. So yun. And ito. Yan. Yan yung flag ng Canada. Yung tao dito. And that's the view here. Yeah, there. So, okay. So, hindi pumunta dito sa Canada na walang kahit konting hike. So, mag-hike kami under the Lionsgate Bridge papunta dong seawall ng ano bang tawag nitong body of water? Hindi naman river to eh. So yun, punta kami doon. Pupunta kami noon dito, yung tatlo, yan. And yan, anin na kami pumunta doon. So yan, nandito na kami under the Lionsgate Bridge. So ito. Yan, nandun sila. So yan. So yan ang Golden Gate Bridge. No, I mean Lionsgate Bridge pala. Sorry. Doon. Tapos doon the beams. So hindi pala Golden Gate, Lionsgate Bridge. So yan. Hike lang kami dito. This is our second day dito sa Vancouver, British Columbia sa Canada. And then makikita sa baba, seawall na yan. Tapos na yun yung dagat na. Yan. So nandito na kami sa dagat talaga, sa beach. Itong seawall ng dagat ito. Yan ang Lionsgate Bridge. Ayan. yun, ito yung ginagawa namin noon. Nandito pa kami sa Vancouver. Pumupunta kami dito. May konting area na may sand. Doon pupuntahan namin yan. Ayun, so nakapaglaro na kami dito sa beach and babalik na kami sa sasakyan kasi we have a long drive ahead of us, mga 5 hours pa din pabalik ng Tri-Cities na, and we have to cross the border also. Hindi namin alam kung gaano kataas ang linya ng mga sasakyan doon. It's a weekend, so yun, and nandun sila. Yan.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah.
So we just crossed the border. It's already 3:06 p.m. and yeah, we're ready.
Medyo mataas yung linya. Mga taga-US pumunta dun sa Canada, bumalik na kasi it's a weekend. So, tapos yung border officer tinanong lang kung saan kami galing sa Canada, namin ang Vancouver. So, anong dala nyo? Sabi lang namin 200 worth of clothes na binili namin, saka pastries.
And then, yung hiningi lang is yung green card lang. Passport
Green card.
lang.
Oo.
So, mabilis lang yung questions. So, yeah.
So, we're way to
We're going to eat first buffet in Renton, Washington. The feast buffet. So, before kami mag-biyahe ulit papunta to the cities. Yeah. We'll see you later.
So, nandito na kami sa Renton, Washington. It's already 6 p.m. Kain na kami sa The Feast. Dito, Feast Buffet ba ang tawag na? So, nandoon na sila sa loob. Medyo maraming linya, maraming tao pala. Maraming naghihintay pero 20 minutes daw. Baka kami na ang susunod. So, yun. Kain muna kami dito and then we will drive mga 3 hours din siguro papuntang Tri-Cities after namin kumain ng dinner dito. So, yun. So, yun. Tapos na kami kumain. It's already 7:35 p.m. So, busog na busog kami. Yan. So, tapos na kami dito. Uuwi na kami. Puntang Tri-Cities, Washington. Another 3 hours siguro. So, nag-stop muna kami sa rest area kasi gustong mag-bathroom itong si Jansoy. So, kaming lahat nag-bathroom na rin. So, mga may 190 miles pa kami para makarating ng Tri-Cities. It's already 9 p.m. So, yun. Sila Romel, si Willa, si Skylar on the way na. So, yun. Makikita lang kami doon sa Tri-Cities. Yan.